Meaning of divest.
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 Divest. The term divest means to sell off or get rid of assets or investments, typically for financial or ethical reasons. The result of divesting can vary depending on the situation. In a financial context, it may help a company to reduce debt or focus on core business operations. From an ethical standpoint, divestment can be used as a tool to decarbonize investment portfolios and promote sustainability. Divesting from certain industries or companies may also send a message to stakeholders about the values and priorities of the divesting entity.